Day 1 of forever. We have all the time in the world now, don't we?
But this is my Echo, my paradise. I designed every detail of this place.
Was. Now it's our prison too. We should get comfortable with each other for eternity.